Can you put these scrambled cards back in order from ace to king with all of them facing down? We have a set of 13 scrambled cards from the ace to the king of spades. We will now turn these cards over and put them back in order. Here's the solution on how you can do this Rubik's card trick. If you are already familiar on how to solve a Rubik's cube, you will know that a puzzle cube can be solved by applying algorithms. And if you repeat the same algorithm enough times, you will get back to where you started from. The solution to this Rubik's card trick is exactly the same. That is, by applying an algorithm to a scrambled set of cards, and the cards will be put back in order. In order to perform this card trick, you will first have to arrange your cards in this order: Queen, Jack, 2, 6, Ace, 5, King, 10, 9, 4, 3, 7, and 8. Flip your stack of cards over. Now you have Queen on the top and 8 at the bottom. Now we will start doing the algorithm. The first step is to remove 2 cards from the top and put them at the bottom. Next, now with 3 cards from the top and send it to the bottom. We'll repeat again one more time with 4 cards and send it to the bottom. In the second step, take out 3 cards from the top and drop them on the table. Next, do the same with 2 cards. Repeat this step until the stack of cards in your hand is empty. For the third step, alternate the cards by stacking them in this way: in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Then take the outside stack of cards and place them on the top. Finally, take 1 card from the top and place it on the table. Then take the next card and place it under the stack. Repeat this step until the stack of cards in your hand is empty. With that, our cards are back in order. This is how the Rubik's card trick is done. Hope you like this tutorial. See you on our next video and bye for now.